Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the flavors of Kerala with a classic dish that's both simple and incredibly delicious: fried sardines in coconut oil. If you love seafood and enjoy the rich, unique flavors of South Indian cuisine, you're in for a treat. Let's start with what you need: fresh sardines, cleaned and slit. A blend of spices including turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt for marination. And, of course, coconut oil for frying. Now, let's get cooking. First, marinate the sardines with the spices. Make sure they're well coated for that perfect burst of flavor. Heat the coconut oil in a pan. The aroma is just heavenly. Carefully place the sardines in the oil. Listen to that sizzle. Fry them until they're beautifully golden and crisp. While these are frying, let's talk about why this dish is so special. Sardines are not just tasty. They're packed with nutrients. And when paired with coconut oil, a staple in Kerala kitchens, it elevates the dish with its unique flavor. Remember not to overcrowd the pan and keep the flame on medium. This ensures your sardines are cooked evenly and get that perfect crunch. Once done, place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. And there you have it, your Kerala-style fried sardines are ready to be served. These are best enjoyed with a side of rice and a simple dal, or as a standalone snack. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy these delicious fried sardines as much as I do. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. See you next time with another exciting dish. Happy cooking!